Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders in gel base and gel top coat from Krival Nails to create a simple Valentine's Day mani. Now the first color here, it's called Fa La La, and it is a beautiful, vibrant, solid, bright pink. It is really pretty, and I really like how vibrant this pink is. And then we're also going to use another color called Ribbon Candy. Now this is a really fun purple. It's kind of like a neon bright purple. It's super pretty, and it does have a slight gray undertone to it, but I think it pairs perfectly with that Fa La La color. And then we're going to be hand placing the pink glitters in Gumdrop. We're only going to be using the pink ones here, but Gumdrop is a really fun chunky glitter mix of pinks, golds, and greens. And here are all three of the colors together. And then again, for Gumdrop, we're only going to be using those pink glitters. We are going to be doing the gel method for today's mani, and we're going to be creating a press-on set. All right, so let's dive into this mani process with the gel base, and then we're going to start off by using Ribbon Candy, and then I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how bright and vibrant this mani is. And then we have that touch of sparkle there by hand placing some of those glitters from Gumdrop. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on sets at home as well. And I'll see you in the next upload.